Our backlink tracking feature can help you look for contextual backlinks, suspicious or harmful backlinks, as well as detecting high-value backlinks. Here's how to get started with this feature. Within your website's dashboard, click Backlinks at the left sidebar. If you haven't enabled this feature before, you'll be prompted to click Start Tracking Backlinks. Once enabled, Nightwatch will automatically help search for new backlinks every 3 days. You can further edit and customize the backlinks feature settings with these steps. Within your website's dashboard, click Settings at the left sidebar. Then, click Backlinks. Here you can adjust settings for backlinks discovery, ignore domains, and backlinks pre-filter. Perfect! Now you'll have more control and visualization over the backlinks that are impacting your rankings, so you can focus on improving your backlink strategy.